Hello and welcome to the Prosero training series. In this session, we are going to cover how you can create and edit the price break pricing engines. The price break pricing option is one of the four types of pricing engines you can use in the Prosero storefronts to display the price of a product to your buyer. Here is an example of the price break. In this example, a buyer can see that the more they order, the better the per item cost will be. You can set as many price breaks as you need and can set any amount for your individual ranges. When setting a particular engine to your product within the store, you will have the opportunity to indicate that you wish to show the per piece price as you can see above in each line. Let's start adding a pricing engine using the price breaks. So we'll go to the preferences, pricing engine, add new, click on price breaks. You will then need to name the pricing engine. It is good to keep in mind that all your pricing engines for your sites are listed in this one area. So give it a name that will be easy to identify later when you assign it to a product within a site. All sites can share the same pricing engine, so if it is a standard price you will use over and over among many sites, then give it a general description for the name. If it is a price that is specific to only one customer, then you may want to start it with the customer's account name. I'm going to name it as parking permits. You will now enter the details for the pricing engine. Each price option will display on a separate line and you will set each line up one at a time. So we'll click on new price break. Enter the quantity for the start of the particular price break line. For example, 100, 1000, etc. Enter the weight for each item. Make sure you do not add any currency or the unit sign here because it will be automatically added based on the site culture setting. You must enter a weight if you plan on using integrated shipping options. So I will say 0.01. Enter the price per item in this quantity range. So let's say 0.05. Let's give it 0.5. Once you are done with, then click on this sign indicating that it is saved. Similarly, you can add a new price break line which is 100. The weight, let's say 0.01. No, this time I'm going to change the weight. Let's say and the price is going to be 10. This is how you are going to have a separate line and each line up one at a time for the price break entries. I already have one existing pricing engine which is created and I'll show you how that will look. As soon as you see the quantity is raising, the per item cost is getting decreased and the price will be displayed accordingly. Once you are done with testing and editing the pricing engine, you can assign it to the product. Also, if you want to make the changes, you can edit the pricing engine. For deleting any line, you need to click on this and click on OK. For editing any the weight and the price, you just make the appropriate changes and hit on this sign again. And make sure once you are done, you click on Save. Thank you for watching the video.